Okay, we've let this set up overnight. So now we're going to round it all down. First thing we'll do is we want to mark our center so we don't lose our center. Okay, so we'll mark our center here. That way when we start to shape our head, we don't lose sight of our center. So we won't lose that. I'm going to use this small ring here to mark our center. So I'll take my 4-inch belt sander. We're going to sand all this down and round it down. Then we'll come back with the next step. Enjoy my videos. Please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching.